The fourth law is profit over revenue. So it's so important that I mention this, okay? So the profit is the most important thing. You can be running a store that does $1 million in sales, but have 10% margins. So you've made $100,000 in profit. If you show a screenshot, everyone thinks you've done $1 million and it feels great. But at the end of the day, you've made 100K. And that's all that fucking matters. The revenue does not really matter. It does matter a little bit. There are little certain reasons why, because let's say if you've done $1 million in revenue and you're running at 10% margins, maybe there's a lot of room for you to actually increase those margins by changes. And obviously, as you make a little change, it affects it on a bigger scale because obviously you're doing more revenue. But in general, profit over revenue each and every single day, because you could be running a store that's doing $500,000 a year in revenue, 25% net margins, and you're making more money than someone else that's doing $1 million a year. Always profit over revenue. Don't chase revenue, chase the actual profits. Always focus on profits.